Alright, how's everybody doing? Today I'm going to be working on the black hardbody. I got me some new headlights. So I got one old one from the red truck because that one was burnt out when I first got the black truck, so I just replaced it. But I'm going to take off the grill now, replace the headlights. Oh, I don't even think I got to take off the grill. Yeah, I could just slide my screwdriver right in there. So I'm going to take off the headlights, replace them. Check it out, I got these cool ones here. This out. Check it out. I think they're gonna look pretty sweet. Alright, so there's a quick little comparison side by side. So yeah, it looks pretty simple. You're just gonna have to remove those 4 screws and then pop off that ring right here, this little trim that's holding the light in. I'll plug in this plug here into our factory harness, slide this back in, put the metal on. We should be good to go. But let me start taking it apart now. You're going to want to still have to take off the grill to get to that screw in the back right there. So yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. Those are just the ones that adjust. So I need to tighten that back up a little bit. And I'm going to take the grill off and pop those headlights off. Okay, so I just removed the grill. Now these are the screws you're going to want to take off to remove this trim ring here to replace your headlights. Alright, so I just removed the 4 screws here. You can see where they just came off. Trim ring pops off. Headlight just pops right out. There's the factory harness I was talking about. Just going to want to pinch the sides and then pull it out. So I'm going to take the headlight out right now and switch it over. Stick around. Here's the new one. See the connection? Just go straight into that connection, your factory. So pretty simple. No ballast or anything like that. One of the other ones that we had with the Miata, we had to use or we didn't have to, but it came with the ballast. But yeah, check it out, guys. Very simple, quick and simple, easy installation. Okay, so I went a little overboard off camera, but look, you can see the difference. How much cooler that new LED looks. Look at the old one. Look at the new one. Look at the old one. Look at the new one. Nah, but yeah, check it out, guys. Pretty cool difference. I'm gonna go turn it on right now, make sure it even works. Alright, so there it is. Check it out. Look, it actually lit up, but I think I may have done it backwards. I don't know if that T is supposed to be flipped the other way, but let me check the brights. So you got like about 6 of them working down on the bottom. Wow, big difference. Look at the brights on that one, and then look at the brights on the original one. Doesn't even look like they're on. So that's pretty cool. Check it out, guys. Really awesome difference. This is gonna look really badass at night. I should take the bumper off and straighten out that dent real quick. But yeah, guys, check that out. Even just looking at it in the daylight is kind of hurting my eyes. It's so bright. So I've just switched out both of them. Look how they look now. You can kind of see the difference. Looks really cool, really good compared to these old ones. Just a square, you know, plain headlight. So I'm gonna put the grill back on so we get a better idea of how it's gonna look. Alright, so I just put the grill back on. Check it out. Look what a difference those headlights have made. I flipped that one back over because on the actual headlight it says some stuff on it like DOT SCE or whatever, so I knew it was upside down. So yeah, check it out, guys. It looks pretty sick, really nice, really cool. Just finished it now. Paid about $60 for these. Okay, let me turn it on and show you how they look with both of them on. So I can't really tell how good the camera's picking it up, but they're both on, very bright. You can see it's like a little T on the top there. So yeah guys, the headlights are installed on the 94 Nissan Hardbody. Looks cool, looks good, simple, it's very quick. Took me about 15 minutes or so, 10 minutes. Took longer to find a screwdriver. So that's probably going to be be the end for this quick little video. I just wanted to make a short video, show you guys the installation of the headlights. But yeah, check it out guys. If you want to see more hard body videos, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, make sure to share these videos with your friends and family. But thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out guys.